Storytelling Tuesday. I hope that you are having a fabulous week. Today is my son's birthday, so I want to wish him a happy birthday. And I guess this story can be a little gift for him. This is a fable, so I hope you like it. Roar! A lion was pacing back and forth in his cave. And it looked like he was talking to the walls, but he was really complaining to his maker. "Look at me," he said. "Look at me, king of the beasts, lord of the jungle. Look at these muscles. They are to be feared. I am feared by everyone. I am powerful. I have jaws of steel. I can run like the wind. But at the crow of a cock, my knees tremble. How is it that you could make me so powerful and strong, and yet when a cock crows, my teeth chatter. I am filled with fear. How could I be made with such an imperfection? It's too much. I can't go on. There's no point in living." On and on Lion rambled. And when he tired of his cave walls, he walked out into the sunshine. His path crossed with elephants. "Good morning, elephant," he grumbled. An elephant returned the salutation. "Good morning." Well, Elephant said this. And then the two exchanged simple pleasantries. "How are you? What have you been doing? Have you seen anything new in the jungle?" But all the while that they were talking, Elephant's ears kept flapping profusely, and his eyes kept darting this way and that, never calm. And finally, Lion said, "Elephant, what has got you? Your ears keep flapping incessantly, and your eyes, what are you looking for?" And Elephant looked at Lion and said, "Well, do you see that gnat fluttering around my ear? That gnat, oh, if he gets inside of my ear, if he bites my ear, it will be the end of me. It's too much for an elephant to bear. Oh." Well, after that, Lion walked on, but he had a bit more of a bounce in his step, and he thought to himself, "If Elephant, so large, giant among animals, can be scared of a thing as tiny, as microscopic as a gnat, well, perhaps my imperfection isn't so unbearable after all." May we all remember what Lion learned. I hope you have a fabulous day. I'll see you next week.